This is a what's in the box video for Blackout Hong Kong, a 2 to 4 player game, I believe, by Alexander Pfister, who has been one of the hottest designers over the last few years for board games. So we have the board here. I believe this game is also a reworking of a lot of the mechanics in Mombasa. I'm not a huge fan of the look of the board, but maybe we can blame Eggert Spiel for that. What I believe is a pretty complex rulebook that is actually, if I recall, is not written all that well. Let's see here. So we have the player boards. So each player board I think is identical. Yep, 4 players. We have tokens, which some of them have already come out, although this box has been through a lot, so there's some tokens already out. Let's see, they look very much like Great Western Trail tokens, although maybe less stuff to punch out. We have cards, and I believe these are people cards. I don't know what the dice dish, I guess they tell you the dice that you end up rolling. And we have little control markers in the form of houses and circles and little cube markers. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for Blackout Hong Kong. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe.